So today I'm going to continue on the series based around this book and the menu within it. And I am going to do something based off the entry for Verbeeg mutton stew in the menu. I'm not only basing this off of the Verbeeg mutton stew because I can't find mutton anywhere. The butchers around here just don't seem to have it. So I instead am going to be using corned beef, and I'm going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day inspired meal that you could totally do with mutton if you can find it. So to make this stew, you're going to need 4 stalks of celery in a rough chop that's about yay large. Also want 6 medium-sized yellow potatoes, or if you can't find yellows, the red skins work just as well. I just have yellows today, so that's what I'm using. You can leave the skins on, just make sure you wash them first. So if you're like me and you're using corned beef, there's no seasoning needed in this recipe. But if you did find mutton, or you want to use like a beef brisket or something instead, you're going to dice them up into bite-sized cubes first. Then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of my spice mix, which I will put a link for up top somewhere. And you're going to throw that in a Ziploc bag, mix it up, and leave it in the refrigerator overnight to let it get a bit of a marinade. Otherwise, this dish will come out kind of bland. Next ingredient is going to be 4 large carrots. Okay, now we're going to move over to the pot. Now that all the vegetables are cut, there's also going to be 8 ounces of cabbage. I've got it pre-shredded because that's what the store had. If you're actually going to shred your own head of lettuce, if you're actually going to shred your own head of cabbage, do it now. All right, so now you're going to come over to the crock pot. You're going to turn it on to low, and you're going to start by putting all of your meat on the bottom of the pot. So, all right, next you're going to put in your potatoes, then the carrots. Half the carrots. The carrots and the celery, and if you want to add an onion, you can add an onion as well. I believe there was onion in this corned beef mix, so I'm not adding a separate onion there. Okay, then you're going to take a quart of stock and put it over the top. And cover it up and let it go for at least 6 hours. Then after 6 hours, you're going to put somewhere between 6 and 8. So at either the 6 or 7 hour mark, you're going to add some cabbage to the top, stir it together, and let it go for another 45 minutes to an hour. I'll get back with you when I do that step. So now it's been 6 hours. And that is what this lovely stew looks like. It smells delicious. I still need to add this bag of cabbage. There we go. It's an 8-ounce bag of cabbage. I'm going to stir this in here. Okay, nice and mixed in. I'm going to cover this up for another hour. And then it'll be done. And this is my St. Patrick's Day inspired stew. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.